In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asam Mukhtar Chima and you're watching Bahawalpur TV. In case your fruit plants are struggling with fruit set percentage, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I will discuss and share 5 practical tips which will improve fruit set percentage of your garden. Before we get on with today's video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. So let's get started. First thing is pollination. Make sure there is proper pollination because pollination is the key for fruit setting. Look at the flowers. If they fall and dry quickly, it means there is no pollination. However, if the base of the flowers starts swelling, it means fruit setting is initiated. For crops like tomato and chili, shake the plant in the morning at around 10 to 11 am. For cucurbits like melons, sorry, for cucurbits like melons and cucumber, do hand pollination male to female flowers. No pollination is equal to zero fruit set, no matter what fertilizer you use. The next one is controlling the water at root zone. At the flowering stage, roots become very much sensitive. Both dry soil and waterlogging will cause flower to drop. Before watering your plant, check the soil with your finger. If the top 1 to 2 inches are dry, then irrigate it immediately. Make sure there is proper drainage. Avoid watering your plant during extreme heat hours such as afternoon. Consistent moisture is the key for good fruit setting. The next one is fertilizer strategy. Avoid nitrogenous fertilizers at the flowering stage because it will cause more vegetative growth and flowers to drop. Apply phosphorus and potassium based fertilizers for good fruit setting. You can apply DAP or bone meal for phosphorus and SOP or wood ash for potassium. The simple rule for this is that less nitrogen, more potassium will cause more fruit setting and less vegetative growth. Next one is temperature and sunlight management. Fruit set may fail due to extreme temperature stress, not due to lack of care. Ideally, morning sunlight is best. Any temperature more than 35 degrees centigrade will cause flower drop. Use shade or partial shade in extreme summer. Irrigate your plants in the morning to reduce heat stress. In pots, move the plants to slightly cooler places. Even healthy plants won't set fruit in extreme temperature stress. So that's an important factor to increase your fruit set percentage. Last but not the least is reducing the competition on plant. Too many flowers results in weak fruit set. Remove excessive flowers, do light pruning to improve the airflow and also to remove disease affected branches and leaves. This helps the plant to focus energy better on fewer but stronger fruits. Apply these 5 strategies and you will surely see better results in your yield. If you find this video informative and interesting, then do like, share and subscribe. And let me know your thoughts and questions related to gardening in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.